Alright, so we put about 10 gallons of diesel in the F150. We're going to see how it really rolls out. It'll probably perform pretty well. Diesel has a lot of power for towing capacity and stuff like that. Hey guys, it's Derek. We'll be doing a review on this truck. It's a 2003 F150 Heritage Edition V8 with the 5.4 Triton motor. I must say the interior is really nice. You got the moonroof here, so let me just start off. You got the Flowmaster 40 series muffler in this, right? Yep. And almost 120,000 miles. About like a quarter tank left. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Got a nice Ford Ranger right next to us, him and his dog. There we go, it ships pretty smooth. Right off the bat, I noticed that the ride quality is definitely better than my friend Mike's Ford. Never let you down. Okay. Black and red. Nice. So yeah, I must say, out of this body style, this is the best looking out of all of them I've seen so far. I've actually never seen one of these Heritage Edition Fords. Pulling up here pretty shortly, probably about 10 seconds. We're about to be on gravel, heading down to the water. We hit the gravel. Some nice height to it. It has the 17-inch rims with a 31.6-inch tire. But you were saying that you wanted to get a lift and some tires. Yeah. I'm assuming 35s. Yep. And usually people get a 6-inch lift with that. So we're now off-roading on a trail. Yeah, this is pretty nice ride quality, man. Big dilemma. Someone was throwing nails in one of the huge mud puddles. Dude.
What the fuck happened to it?
Oh no. Oh no, dude.
Dude, what the fuck happened to my
Oh no.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Wonder what the diesel's doing now. Bro, cold, a little bit of cold roll. First impressions of the outside of the vehicle. You got the two-tone tow hooks on the front. Is that nice fog lights there? Heritage Edition. Factory footsteps. The stock suspension badge on the back. ARE. Bed cover. Tinted back window. Factory trailer hitch on the back. Chrome exhaust tip. Tone starts about here. Pretty cool. You got the two pin strips of around a golden color. Aero antenna up in a tree into there, and rain deflectors, moon roof on the top of the truck, which is really awesome. On a nice bright moon day, if you're looking up, you can see the moon and what's going on in space. These stock factory tow hooks. I see some off-road every now and then. You rate this truck out of 10?
About a 9 out of 5.
Some brown spray paint and sprayed on the tires to make it look like it has mud on it. Definitely have tinted windows on the side and the back. It's always good to have the extended cab. I'll give you a little startup sound of the 2003 Ford with the Flowmaster muffler. It's got a pretty nice growl to it at the end. That's the sound of freedom, everybody. Alright, we got the hood open for you. We got the 5.4 Triton V8 engine right there. Custom K&N cold air filter. As you can see, a lot of mud has been kicked up from all the off-road excursion that has been done lately here in Pennsylvania.
So we did just
shows you the decimal value of how close you are until the next mile entry, which is pretty cool. Pretty smooth shift you got right there.
Until death.
Ford Heritage Edition. There's only 15,000 made, but it's probably one of those vehicles that are only going to go up in value. I feel like one of the people that would give you an offer would be Nate Farr for this. Would you ever sell it to him? Run it off the road within a few minutes of purchasing.
Yep.
Not for any problems.
He's already ran off the road when I was with him in the car.
Yeah, and that
claimed that he was tired. He actually just was bad at driving.
and are taken, and you're in the middle of nowhere. I don't know why he did that. That was a pretty big truck, dude. That was like, it was an F250, but it was like a Super Duty edition. This vehicle here, you're good with a F150. You would never go to like a 250, 350, 450, 550.
Probably a 250.
Super Duty edition.
Yeah.
If I were to get a Super Duty edition Ford, I definitely would get the diesel version because of just how much weight is there. And if you're going to need one of those, you probably are towing something of some sort, and the diesel is always the better way to go. Speech coming to you guys soon about why diesels are better than their gas counterparts. It really does suck that time has changed and it gets darker a lot earlier. So we had to cut the fishing short because we didn't want to have to jump the Niagara Falls. Yeah, this is definitely one of those show trucks already. You throw the big 35s, 6-inch lift on it, everybody be looking at that. And because one of the tones is black, I definitely would throw on some black wheels. Fuel hostages are really nice for a truck like this. It's